Hey Josh, how's it going? I got your email about doing that PDF file trick, so let me show you something that I bet most of your classmates don't know. Let's see, so first thing, if you're going to send somebody a PDF file, you have to find a PDF file. And let's see, your original image that you sent me, I'm looking at it here in the email, was basic exercises. Looks like basic stretching, okay? So I'm going to head over to like Google. I'll just google.com, that's good. And basically, here's what a person might do, right? They might just search for, what about a guide to stretching? And I would just kind of see what comes up. Now, of course, to find a PDF file would take some time. You got to hunt through here and see what we get. Stretching exercise guide, your ultimate. Now, this is probably just a website, though. If I click on this, oh, actually, I think I just saw something right beneath it, though. Okay, so that's not a PDF, but when I let me go back to that because I just saw it a second ago. Here you go. You see when I searched for this, this is actually has a little PDF designation on it, stretching and flexibility, right there, over at University of Michigan, I guess .edu, stretching and flexibility. Here we go. This is actually easier than what I was expecting. So this is a PDF file. Now, I'm going to show you something else in just a moment, but let's say this is the PDF file that you were going to send me. Okay, I'm looking at it in my browser, but I need to download it to my computer so then I can send it to you via email or send it to me via email. So I would hit the little floppy disk button, and I'm using the Edge browser. It may look different in whatever your browser is, but it'll be similar. You might even be able to right-click on it. Can I right-click? What happens if I hit save? Oh yeah, that works too. So I'm saving the stretching booklet PDF file, and I can save it to my desktop. There we go. I'll just save it right there. So now I have this file saved on my computer. And so then I would just go to my email. I'll open up a new email right here, and I'll send this email to me. And the subject will be, I can't remember what I told you the subject was going to be, but assignment 1, part 1, stretching info. And then of course, you probably know this part. This is going to be pretty easy. In any email program, you look for that little paperclip attach file, and then there it is. That's actually what I'm going to send you right there. It's in my recent items. If it didn't show up there, I would go to browse this PC, go to my desktop, and I would look for it. There it is right there. Click insert, and do the other stuff in the email that you're supposed to do. There's my signature, and then I would just hit send, and I'll ignore the spell check. And there you go. So that's what I'm looking for that PDF file. But let me show you one more quick way that we could have found this even faster. Let's see, I'm going to go back to my Google search. So in addition to typing in these words, here's the other secret trick. You can also put in the word file type :PDF. So basically, I'm telling Google that I only want to find PDF files by putting in that file type PDF. And now when I search, it's only going to find PDF files. There's the one that I just found earlier. Here's another one over at Berkeley. And here's another one at stretchcoach.com. And see, and they all have that little PDF symbol, which means they're PDF files. And here's a bunch more, right? Simple guide to stretching, workday stretching guide. Oh, let me click on that one. That sounds interesting. Monterey, California. So that's a city website. Workday stretching guide. This looks pretty useful because I sit at a desk a lot. And but there you go, same exact procedure. And then from here, I would save it. So that's all I want you to do. Just find a PDF file. It could be stretching or some other topic, and save that to your computer and attach it to the email message and send it on over. But definitely, thanks for asking me about that. Take care.